limited definition. But of course, if you see the business dictionary, a unit of ownership that represents an equal proportion of a company's capital. It entitles its holder to an equal claim of the company's profit and all that. So, okay, very good. Normally, in a company, there are two types of shares. One, you have ordinary shares, or the other, you have the preference shares, we call it. And the ordinary shares. Now, whoever subscribes to the ordinary shares, they are entitled to dividends, and they are also entitled to vote. Whereas for preference shareholders, they have only the entitlement to receive the benefits, the dividends, but they are not entitled to vote. It's a difference here. Eh? Okay. Now, Section 98 says shares are movable property, transferable in the manner prescribed by articles. Eh? They are movable, of course. The law says so. It can be moved in many ways. Nothing will give you the definition. Section 100, share certificate shall be prima facie evidence. Now, this is very crucial. Now, when I was there, we had a lot of cases, people coming to us, Tons, are you shareholder?